Do you want to know how you can uninstall Wombo Dream from your phone? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can uninstall Wombo Dream from your phone. Go ahead and locate Wombo Dream, which is on your phone. So go ahead and search for Dream and you can see Wombo Dream over here. Go ahead and click on it and then go to its settings, or you can see the uninstall button over here. Click on it and then press OK. This way Wombo Dream will be uninstalled. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Locate Wombo Dream, which is on your phone. Tap on it, click on uninstall and press OK, or else tap on Wombo Dream, go to its settings, click on settings, and you can see uninstall. Click on uninstall and press OK. After a while, you can notice that Wombo Dream has now been uninstalled from your device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.